Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to check Google Play Store balance refund status quickly and easily. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you used for the purchase. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account settings and options. From there, go to Payments and Subscriptions. This section helps you manage your payment methods, subscriptions, and order history. Now tap on Budget and History. This will show a list of your purchases and payment activity on Google Play. Here, you'll see all your recent purchases along with their status. It's a helpful way to keep track of what you've bought and what's been refunded. If a refund has been issued, it will clearly say refunded next to that specific item. This confirms that your money has been returned to your account or balance. Or you can also check it via Google Play Support website. You can find the link in the description below. Tap on it to open the link. Then confirm your Google account and tap on Confirm and wait a few moments to check refund status. If it's refunded, the money should be credited back to your original payment method. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more simple and useful tips.